Hey team, it's Danya, your performance coach, and I'm here with Todd today to now walk you through what did you discover on your tests. And you're like, what are you talking about? Head to our first video. We're taking you through a series of videos that either help you stretch or release your hip flexors or strengthen them. If you don't know, then you gotta do our first video back on video 1, which you actually do a test to find out what is happening. Are you tight or are you weak? So if you got tightness on your test, this is a stretch for you. Classic hip flexor stretch. However, I'm gonna actually show you how to do it the more effective way, because a lot of people do this stretch ineffectively. And it's one small little tweak. So here we go, setting up. Todd's in a nice 90-90 position. Todd, bring your foot a little bit further forward. 90-90 meaning he's forming a nice 90 degree with his front and his back leg. Back leg's underneath, knees underneath his hip. Toes are comfortable wherever that is. Now, what we're gonna do, the key to the stretch is the pelvis position. So Todd, can you let your almost back arch forward? Yep, okay, good. Now, most of us just kind of reef into this lunging position. Nothing wrong with that, but when we want to really target that specific hip flexor and just focus on this first, while not causing back pain, because when we go forward, we can cause a lot of back pain, this is how you're gonna do it. Pelvic tilt. So he's gonna put his hands on his hips, and he's gonna imagine his hips are like a bucket of water, and he's gonna try and dump the water out the back, right? So all he's doing is rolling his pelvis back, and you're gonna feel a pull happening here. Notice how we didn't arch or lean backwards. It is just this very slight pelvic motion. Now to enhance this, he's gonna squeeze his butt cheek. Yep, right? So this is gonna help pull the pelvis posteriorly. You're gonna feel a stretch in that upper hip flexor. If you're really tight, you might feel it down in your quads. And you're just gonna hold and breathe. You feel it? Yeah, he feels it. You can add in to get some lateral expansion if you want by reaching your arm up and over and kind of flirting around with rotating forward or backwards to feel a little bit deeper and higher. But really, to be super safe and neutral for your back, all you're gonna do is this pelvic position, squeeze your glute, and then hold and breathe into that 360 breathing, which we posted on another video. Sounds good. This looks good. You can feel it. Awesome. You can also enhance this too if you want to do further deep stretch by putting your leg up on something, so resting your foot on a stair or a pillow. That's gonna make the pull go deeper, but make sure you don't lose the integrity of your upper trunk, okay? Now, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe, because we're posting tons of videos. Some of them are in series where you can follow along. Some of them are just one-offs. Ultimately though, our goal is to help you move and feel your best, get you back to doing what you love and out of pain.
Awesome.
Thanks for joining. We'll see you next one.
See you in the next one.